Alright, let's talk about corn. Not just any corn, but the kind that's become a staple in kitchens and on dinner tables around the world. Corn is more than just a side dish or a summer treat. It's a crop with a story, a science, and a surprising impact on our daily lives. It's everywhere, at backyard barbecues, simmering in hearty chowders, and lining the shelves of every grocery store you visit. Whether you're biting into a buttery cob at a summer fair or stirring kernels into a winter soup, corn is a comfort food that connects people across cultures and continents. Globally, farmers harvest over 1 billion tons of corn every year, making it one of the most widely grown crops on the planet. From the vast fields of the American Midwest to farms in Asia, Africa, and South America, corn is a lifeline for millions of people and a key ingredient in countless foods. In the US alone, about 150,000 tons of canned sweet corn are produced every year. That's enough to fill millions of lunchboxes, dinner plates, and picnic baskets. Canned corn is a pantry staple, ready to add a burst of sweetness and color to any meal, any time of year. Sweet corn is picked young, in its milk stage, when the kernels are plump, juicy, and bursting with natural sugars. This is when the corn is at its absolute best, tender, flavorful, and perfect for eating fresh or preserving in a can. Unlike field corn, which is grown mainly for animal feed or industrial uses, sweet corn is specially bred for its flavor and tenderness. Plant scientists and farmers have spent decades perfecting varieties that deliver that signature sweetness and crisp bite, making sweet corn a favorite for both fresh eating and canning. The journey from field to can is a race against time. Once picked, sweet corn sugars quickly start turning to starch, so speed is essential. It's a process that blends generations of agricultural know-how with the latest in factory precision, ensuring every kernel is as sweet and fresh as possible. It all starts with the farmer, who carefully monitors the crop for peak ripeness. They walk the fields at dawn, checking the color, feel, and even the sound of the kernels to decide the perfect moment to harvest. Their expertise is the first step in delivering that unmistakable taste of summer. Timing is everything. Pick too early, and the corn isn't sweet. Too late, and it's tough and starchy. Farmers rely on experience, weather patterns, and even a bit of intuition to get it just right. The window for perfect sweet corn is narrow, and missing it can mean the difference between a delicious harvest and a disappointing one. These farmers have perfected the science and art of sweet corn over generations. Their knowledge is passed down like a family recipe, blending tradition with innovation to keep each harvest better than the last. We're about to follow that journey, from the moment the harvester starts up in the field to the final can sealed and labeled, ready for your kitchen shelf. Every step is a blend of hard work, technology, and a deep respect for the crop. It's a process powered by dedication, teamwork, and a love for that unmistakable taste of summer. From the field hands to the factory engineers, everyone plays a part in bringing sweet corn from the farm to your fork. So next time you open a can of sweet corn, remember the journey it's taken, from sunlit fields to your table. Let's see how it all happens. When the time is right, the harvest begins, and it's a sprint. Timing is everything in the world of sweet corn. Farmers keep a close eye on the fields, waiting for the perfect moment when the kernels are at their sweetest and most tender. Once that window opens, there's no time to waste. The entire operation shifts into high gear, and everyone knows their role. Sweet corn season is short, so fields are buzzing with activity. Dozens of workers and machines move in a carefully choreographed dance, working from sunrise to sunset. The air is filled with the hum of engines and the rustle of stalks as harvesters sweep through the rows. Every acre must be cleared quickly, because the quality of the corn depends on speed. Specialized harvesters slice cobs from stalks at lightning speed, gathering up to 140 tons a day. These machines are designed for efficiency, cutting each ear cleanly and gently to avoid bruising. Operators monitor the process closely, making adjustments on the fly to ensure every cob is harvested at its peak. The cobs are funneled into containers, then quickly loaded onto waiting trucks. Workers move swiftly, making sure the corn is handled with care to preserve its delicate texture and flavor. Each container is filled to the brim, then sealed and labeled for transport. Every minute counts. The goal is to get the corn to the factory before its sugars turn to starch. The natural sweetness of corn begins to fade as soon as it's picked, so speed is essential. Teams coordinate with drivers and loaders, tracking each shipment in real time to avoid any delays. Trucks form a steady convoy, heading straight from field to processing plant. The roads are busy with vehicles loaded with freshly picked corn, all moving with a sense of urgency. Drivers know the importance of their cargo and keep a steady pace, often working long hours during peak harvest. Most factories are located close to the fields to minimize travel time and preserve freshness. This proximity is no accident. It's a key part of the supply chain, designed to keep the corn as fresh as possible. The shorter the journey, the better the taste and texture when it reaches your table. The journey from farm to factory usually takes less than an hour. In some regions, it's even faster thanks to well-planned routes and efficient logistics. This rapid turnaround is what sets sweet corn apart from other crops, ensuring that every ear is processed at its freshest. This rapid transport is crucial for quality. As soon as the trucks arrive, teams of inspectors check the corn for freshness, color, and taste. Only the best cobs make it to the next stage, while any that don't meet the standard are set aside. The corn's transformation from field to food is just getting started. In the next steps, the freshly harvested cobs will be cleaned, sorted, and prepared for canning or freezing, preserving that just-picked flavor for tables around the world. Trucks arrive at the factory and the corn is unloaded onto massive conveyor belts. Workers oversee the flow, ensuring a steady stream into the plant. The first stop, quality control. Inspectors scan the cobs, pulling out any that are damaged, overripe, or undersized. Only the best cobs make it through. Human eyes catch what machines might miss. Rejected cobs are often repurposed as animal feed, minimizing waste. The approved cobs move deeper into the factory, ready for the next step. Efficiency and quality are the name of the game. The transformation continues. Now it's time for the corn to get undressed. Husking machines use rollers and brushes to strip away the tough leaves and silky threads in seconds. High-pressure water jets and brushes ensure every cob is perfectly clean. Thousands of cobs are processed every hour, running around the clock during harvest. Husks and silks are collected for compost or animal feed, keeping waste low. After a quick inspection, only spotless cobs move on. Any with leftover husk or silk are re-cleaned or touched up by hand. Next up, freeing the kernels. Section 5. Off the cob. The art of kernel cutting. Clean cobs are fed into high-speed kernel cutters. Sharp blades slice kernels off with precision, avoiding the tough cob. Machines process over a ton of kernels per hour, with blades sharpened daily for perfect cuts. Kernels are gently transported in a water stream to prevent bruising. Empty cobs are collected for animal feed. Kernels pass through screens and flumes to remove any stray debris. Only pure, whole kernels move forward. This careful handling preserves their sweet, plump texture. The corn is now ready for cooking. Section 6. A quick dip, blanching and cooling for freshness. Kernels are blanched in boiling water for a few minutes to deactivate enzymes and lock in color and flavor. Timing is precise. Too little, and enzymes survive. Too much, and the corn turns mushy. After blanching, kernels are rapidly cooled in cold water to stop cooking instantly. This keeps them crisp and bright. A final rinse and dewatering prepares them for canning. The corn is now at its peak, clean, vibrant, and ready for the can. It's a race to preserve that just-picked taste. Next stop, the filling line. Section 7. The can-do attitude. Filling and sealing the cans. Sterilized cans are lined up and filled with measured amounts of corn by rotary machines, hundreds per minute. A brine of water, salt, and sugar is added to preserve flavor and texture. Any spilled kernels are collected and reused, minimizing waste. Cans are sealed airtight by a high-speed seamer, locking out oxygen and contaminants. Quality control checks seals regularly, sometimes inspecting seams under a microscope. Only perfectly sealed cans move on. This step ensures safety and long shelf life. The corn is almost ready for your pantry. Section 8. Feeling the heat. Sterilization for safety. Sealed cans are loaded into giant autoclaves, industrial pressure cookers. They're heated to 250 degrees under pressure for several minutes, killing any remaining microbes. The process is carefully timed to sterilize without overcooking. Cans are cooled under pressure to protect seals and prevent buckling. After cooling, cans are washed and dried. The corn inside is now fully cooked, sterile, and shelf-stable for years. One last step remains before it hits the store. Section 9, all dressed up and ready to go, labeling and shipping. After the corn has been carefully processed, sealed, and cooked, it's time for the final steps that prepare it for its journey to your table. This is where precision, technology, and efficiency come together to ensure every can is ready for the world. Each can is rolled through a glue applicator, then swiftly wrapped in a colorful label. These labels aren't just for looks, they display the brand, nutritional information, and important tracking codes. This ensures that every can is traceable, safe, and meets strict quality standards. The labeling process is fast and highly automated, with machines checking for accuracy at every step. Once labeled, the cans move down the line to be packed. Automated machines box them up or shrink-wrap them into multi-packs, making them easy to transport and store. These boxes and packs are then carefully stacked onto sturdy pallets, ready for the next stage. The entire process is designed for speed and safety, minimizing human contact to keep the food clean and secure. Forklifts transport the loaded pallets into vast, climate-controlled warehouses. Here, temperature and humidity are carefully regulated to protect the corn's flavor and freshness. These warehouses can store thousands of cans, acting as a buffer between production and delivery. The controlled environment is crucial. It prevents spoilage and ensures that the sweet corn inside each can stays just as delicious as the day it was packed. Advanced monitoring systems keep a constant watch, so nothing is left to chance. When a grocery store or distributor places an order, the warehouse team springs into action. Pallets are loaded onto trucks at the loading dock, each shipment carefully tracked and scheduled for timely delivery. Logistics experts coordinate routes to make sure the corn arrives quickly and efficiently. The journey continues as trucks travel highways and city streets carrying their precious cargo to distribution centers and, finally, to grocery stores across the country. Each step is part of a finely tuned supply chain that keeps shelves stocked year-round. So, the next time you reach for a can of sweet corn at your local store, remember the incredible journey it's taken. From the fields, through careful processing, to the final label and shipment, every can is a testament to the hard work and innovation behind the scenes. From seed to shelf, it's a remarkable story of technology, teamwork, and dedication. Each step, from planting to packaging, is designed to deliver the best possible product to your table. Also, you and your family can enjoy that sweet taste of summer, any time of year, straight from the can, and straight from the heart of America's farms.